So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at the Jury Dinner, finishing up for the 6th Annual Manufacturing Excellence Awards. And I'm here with Katarzna Lubaś from EY, who's heading up the team for the audit, for the nominations and for the awards that you will see tomorrow. Katarzna, thank you again for being our auditor every year. And tell us a little bit about how you see the system and the transparency of our awards.
Great. First of all, thank you for inviting us. It's a very great event, and we are very grateful and very proud to be your auditors. And our job, what we are doing here, is just to make sure everything is crystal clear about how the voting process is going on. So what we do mainly is we make sure that each member of the jury get just one spreadsheet, and if they make it and fill it in properly, as you always say them to, and then we just make sure everything is safely counted and safely delivered to our counting team. Then we count it and just give you the final results, just based on what's been voted on.
So I know the audit team is working right now, adding up the votes, and we're sort of now waiting for the final answers, or for the final votes, and then I know your team will turn it over to us pretty soon, and then tomorrow we'll see you at the awards to, of course, make sure we read out the names that you've given us who are the winners.
That's exactly what we are doing, but until tomorrow everything is a huge secret, and no one knows about it.
Yeah, not even the jury members know. Only a couple of people on the audit team. And,
it's a huge secret until tomorrow's Gala, when you just read and announce who is the winner in each category.
Well, once again, thank you very much for being our auditor. Another year, we appreciate it, and we'll see you, of course, tomorrow at the Manufacturing Awards and your team from EY. And we appreciate you, of course, auditing this event and our investment awards and retail awards and other events we're doing throughout the region. So,
it's always a huge pleasure.
Katarzna, thank you again for your hard work and, of course, always helping us with these events.
Thank you very much.